think Act 3 and John Armstrong are just incredibly courageous. The fact is there's just so much fear around talk of ecumenism, unity of faith, some of the implications of the church becoming one again. And John is able to get past a lot of the noise surrounding that. Talk about the important stuff, like what I said before about orthodoxy, about unity in mission, as opposed to just unity in belief or unity in how we worship on a Sunday morning. He can get through a lot of that noise. And I think that to do that, you have to be kind of brave in your actions and in your walk and talk.